Curious ka din ba kung anong itsura ng Mercury Hotel sa Bana Hills? Para kang nasa fairy tale, European-inspired ang architecture with cobblestone streets and castles sa tuktok ng bundok. Nagstay kami ng overnight sa Bana Hills kasi gusto naming mauna sa Golden Bridge. It opens at 6 a.m. para sa mga guests. Plus, we also want to explore the French Village crowd-free. Nabook namin yung room sa Agoda for 10,000 pesos for 4 packs. Just a heads up, whether you book directly to their website or via Agoda, you'll still enjoy the same perks. Free cable car rides, early access sa Golden Bridge which opens at 6 a.m. and breakfast included. You can also use my Agoda code na Karen Agoda to get up to 10% off. Tara, mag-room tour naman tayo. Our hotel building is in Nice. Though a bit of a walk from the lobby, the staff kindly carried our bags to the room. They also allowed us to check in early. Ang binook namin is yung family room na may 2 bunk beds, perfect for 4 guests. It comes with a TV, desk, mini fridge, complimentary coffee, tea, and bottled water. There's also a cabinet with safe for storage. The bathroom has a separate toilet and shower areas with complete toiletries. As for breakfast, super na-enjoy namin kasi sulit na sulit ang daming options na pwedeng pagpilian. May bacon, eggs, Korean food, Vietnamese food, pastries, veggies, coffee, juice, and desserts. Ayun lang guys, thank you for watching and let me know kung may questions kayo.